cheapest one that is available in the market right now. Feels good, attractive, see? Today we are going to unbox and review the cheapest TWS wireless headphone that is available in the market. That is the one in my hand right now, the i7S. This is the cheapest wireless headphone, Bluetooth headphone that is available in the market. I bought it from Amazon for around 299 rupees. That is much cheaper when compared to the wired headphones. The wired headphone that is the cheapest one that is available in the market is for 100 and 150 rupees. But this one was available in Amazon for 299 rupees. And that is with the charging case. These have a charging case. These have two twin Bluetooth headphones. And this one is a TWS. That is the cheapest. It can be told as the world's cheapest TWS that is available right now. The actual price of this one was 999 rupees, but this was an offer from Amazon and was available till last week. I purchased this last week for 299 rupees. I'm not sure whether it is available right now. I'll share the link in the description. You can go and have a look at it. So let's unbox it. I haven't unboxed it and see if it works or not. If it's good, then that's a pretty good bargain. Because this is the one that is the cheapest one that is available in the market right now. So this is i7S TWS headphone. So let's unbox it and see how good this one is. There is no much information. The standby time is set as 100 hours. Oh. Charging time, it takes 1 to 2 hours. That is much more than the other TWS headphones. The play time is 5 to 6 hours. Let's open it. See, this is the box. Let's open it. Yeah, this is a charging cable. This is not a C-type. It's a normal cable, charging cable. It's pretty okay for the price. Now this is the manual. Yeah, this is written in Chinese. This is a purely Chinese product. The headphone. Yeah, there is a quality checking mark here. Hologram. This is it. A charging point here. There is no display, but there is a button here. Now let's open it. Yeah, this is it. Let's take it out. It's pretty bigger. It's much bigger when it is compared to Ambrain and for example when it compared to Ambrain or the MIDI Duopods. The mic part is much bigger than the hearing part. See, but there is a button on it. But the quality of this one seems good. When it compared to Ambrain I didn't feel it much. Quality wise, I didn't felt it much good. The quality of the plastic and all those things. But this one, I feel it like the quality seems to be good. And look and feel is similar to the iPhone earpods. But look and feel, it feels like solid and better than the Ambrain. The mic part seems to be a little pretty bigger. So let's take both out. There is no magnetic holding part. You have to push it and place it inside and close it. The plastic seems to be pretty good. The quality the quality of the plastic seems to be good. The hard case, the case is hard, the protective case is hard. The placement of the headphone inside the charging case is not that great. It tilts and it shakes inside the box. Okay, now let's take it out. You can see this is the charging point. Let us connect it and see if it connects and works or not. I'm not sure whether it is charged. It doesn't show any indications. So I'm not sure whether it is charged or not. There is no light, nothing. There was no charge in this device, so I put it for charging. I connected the charger, so this is how it looks while charging. And to be frank, this one feels very attractive while charging. The white case, the red illumination, the illumination inside the charging knob, all together it looks very good. I charged it for some time. See the appearance. It looks pretty cool. As I said, the charging looks cool. The red illumination is inside the charging point and the red indication here turns to blue. I've charged it for some time and it looks cool when it takes out. It will illuminate blue color. See? All round. Blue and red. It will be very nice to see in the dark. See? So now let's connect and see if it connects or not. Yeah, it's a i7 TWS. Let's connect it. Yeah, it's connected now. It's connected. Now, as you can see that the iPhone connects. Also checked in the Android phone, it connects in Android as well. So it is connected in iPhone right now. So now let's check the quality of the sound. Let's check the quality of the sound. The appearance, the charging light, the quality of the plastic. This all seems very good. For this price, this is absolutely good so far. Particularly the light illumination, the blue and red. Everything feels nice. Good one. The charging case as well as this thing inside the charging case while charging looks good. So let's connect it and see how good this one is. And let's see how good it fits inside the ear. It's not that great inside the ear, similar to the one I purchased, the Amprine. It's similar to the Amprine which I purchased. It's not that great fit inside the ear, but it won't fall out. But still it feels good inside the ear. Now let's check the quality of the sound. It's louder. Wow. Man, this is good. There is not too much bass. The bass is low, but the quality of the sound is good. So this is my verdict. This is a good product. If you are looking for something to make your calls, then I would say that this one is pretty good, because the calls, since it has a lengthy microphone extension, the calls is very good. I have checked it. The reception, the vocal is very good. The clarity of the sound is pretty good. The overall sound quality, the music quality is also good. The bass level is a little low, but it is adjustable if you are not that great music lover. It cannot be compared with the other TWS, the high-end TWS like Petron or Bassbud or the VCool. But this justifies the price. For 299 rupees, it's a still price, and it's nothing to compare it with, I think. So this is the cheapest TWS earphone that is available right now in the market. Not sure whether this is available for the same price right now, but if it's available on Amazon, then undoubtedly you can go and purchase this one. So please watch our channel, please subscribe our channel for the genuine and real reviews on the gadgets. So I will be coming up more reviews. Please subscribe our channel, click the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you.